Hey everybody, Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles. Welcome back to the Underground Garage. I want to thank you all for tuning in. I want to thank everybody for all the likes, the comments, the subscriptions. I want to thank all our subscribers. That's how we grow the channel. I invite everybody who watches these videos to subscribe. Check out all the other cool videos we have on our channel. Today I want to make a special shout out to what I believe is my youngest subscriber, my niece Bridget. Bridgie, thanks for tuning in. She's watched all my videos. She's one of my first subscribers, one of my biggest fans. Love you, honey. Want to invite everybody out there to subscribe to the channel. If you want to be a member of the Underground Army and you want to be as cool as my little niece Bridget, then by all means smash that subscribe button and become a member of the Army. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be it's a tutorial video on the Yamaha Virago 1984 to 1998. They're all the same for all them years. Today's video is on replacing the seal that goes on the drive shaft for the differential. A lot of you have seen the video that I did on the old school custom chopper Yamaha Virago build that I did. When I did that build, the rear end that was on it was painted gray. I traded it out to a chrome one, and while I had it apart, before I put the chrome one on, I replaced the seal because I wanted to make sure there was no issues and I didn't have any leaks, once I got it back together. So without further ado, check out the video. Again, like, subscribe, leave comments, enjoy the video. Hey everybody, Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles. Welcome back to the Underground Garage. Got a little project going on today on a bike that I already customized. It's a 96 Yamaha Virago. You can check out the series on this channel. It's got 6 or 7 videos to it. I'm going to add a couple more with this. What it is, I got the bike all done. It's got a ton of chrome on it. Looks great, but the rear swing arm and the rear differential on it were both painted gray. Didn't like it. I found a chrome differential and a chrome swing arm, so I'm in the process of swapping that out. Wanted to get the oil seal where the drive shaft goes into the differential changed so that when I got it all together, I knew it wasn't going to leak. I wanted it to be new. So I'm going to show you how this went. I looked on YouTube. I didn't see any videos on how to get it apart, so I figured that out, how to get the drive shaft out. Getting the differential out, there's videos out there for that. It's pretty simple. Take the rear tire off. There's 4 bolts. It slides right out of the swing arm. Once you get that done, you want to get the drive shaft out of the differential. Now, this oil seal is seated right down on the flat here. And the center of this oil seal has a metal rubber covered sleeve. Now, to get that off of there, I had to heat it up. It melted the rubber and the sleeve got red, and I grabbed it with a pair of pliers and slid it off. Comes off pretty easy when you do that. But you got to get this next one on there. And there's 2 different spots on it. That's the back side. That's the front side. This one happens to have a little white dot on it. Maybe that's why it's there. But that side goes facing out from the differential. So you're going to want to get this all the way down on there. I put a little light coating of grease on inside of this and the drive shaft. I'm going to slide it down on here. Again, make sure it's facing the right way. And I'm going to work it down on there. Hopefully I can get it all the way down there without too much effort. See what I got. I can knock it down on there with. I'm going to use the edges of these to slide it down on with and tap it with a hammer. It's going, but not easy. So we'll see if we can. Go around gently trying to tap it. Not working so well either. Okay, I got it all the way down on there. What you want to do is pull this up, and you'll see the metal sleeve. You want to make sure it's buttered all the way down on this, because there's a groove right here on this side of it that washer has to go over. There's a flat washer that goes on next. Doesn't matter which way it goes on. Slides down over the top. And you got a C-clip that you took off there when you took it apart. That goes down over the top too. It'll slide all the way down. Now you got to get your clip removers here. Clip pliers. It might even slide right on. Oh, this is going to slide right on. You can push it right down into the groove. No, I shouldn't have done that yet. Hindsight. I shouldn't have put that clip on yet, nor the washer, because I gotta slip this gear here into here on the differential. Just pops in like that. And then you gotta pop your seal in there. You gotta make sure your seal's all the way in, all the way down. It should just push in all the way around. There. Then take your flat washer. See, if you put the washer on first and the C-clip, you won't be able to get it to seal to push it down into the differential here to make the seal. So just double check. Make sure that's down all the way. Make sure you don't use anything sharp you're going to poke a hole in the seal with, because then you're going to be leaking and defeats the purpose. Okay. Pop that back on there. Pop your C-clip back on there. Make sure it's all down in the groove. In the groove, not coming off. Drive shaft's not coming out now. The seal is what actually holds it in there once it gets popped in there. Then there's one more little C-clip. That's it. And that goes on this groove right here at the end of the drive shaft. Pop it back on there. See if we can get it on there with our fingers, hopefully. Work it around. Yeah, let's get a screwdriver for that. I got it started. Wow, it really doesn't want to go on there. There. Almost. I got to get some smaller ones so I don't got to fight this like this. Anyway. anyway, get this little clip down here in the top, down into that groove, like so. And it'll be ready to go on the bike. There. Just like that. There it is, finished product. Look how nice and shiny that is compared to the one that was painted silver. All right, I'm going to go out and get this on the bike. Get it all put back together. Get the rear wheel, the rear shocks, and everything else put back together on it. At this point, I also have the exhaust off the same bike, and I'm getting ready to wrap that. I'm going to do another video on that. I've actually got the pipes right here. Got them painted. This one here, actually, when I got it off the bike, had about a dime size hole right here, so I had to cut this section of pipe off, weld a new section on. I sanded it, painted it all in heat paint, 1500 degree paint, and we're going to cover it all with titanium wrap. This is what they're both getting covered with. I did this because when I got it all done, the front pipe is exposed and it was pretty rusty. It didn't look nice. The back one you can't see that well, but what the heck, I'm doing them. I got them off. While I'm off, I think I might make a set of straight pipes for it too, but if I do, it'll be in the video, the next video. Okay, as always, be kind to each other, be good, keep the shiny side up, and always live life behind bars.